Yeah, so one day I was, just playing Tetris, minding my own business, as you do. Mm. And without thinking, I got sick of it and decided to go on Instagram. Bad mistake. So I checked the story of my friends, and what do I see?
Ew.
Yeah, so anyways, it's the school holidays and all my friends are working hard for six packs, I don't know. Well, my six pack of flabs are here chilling watching Attack on Titan Season 4. Which is why I am now motivated to do this challenge that I have put up for a while. I've always wanted to do it, so yeah. Let's try. So I just open up CS Timer and I'll scramble this onto my cube. I'll just do that now. I'm done. Got it here. This is the scramble. If anyone want to check it, you can check it. Alright, let's go. Bada bing, bada boom. Downstairs we go. Oh, forgot to bring my timer. Back upstairs we go. Timer. Alright. Got the timer. Alright. That's the cube. I got the timer. Pretty much my goal is just to get under 10 minutes because this time I can't go over 10 minutes of timing. So, I'm gonna take my socks off. It's hard.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so one turn, one push up. Turn, a U move is a turn, or a U2 move is also just one turn, and an M2 move is also one turn, okay? Okay, right? Time to inspect. Screw it. Let's just do this. Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？何？
Okay, cross done. Okay, one pair done. Oh, two pairs. Done. After 2 minutes. Almost. Oh, I'm so unfit.
Oh, お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Oh, I could have cancelled into that. Ah. Oh.
何？
Okay. 4 minutes, second layer done. Wow! A G-bomb! Almost done.
前はもう死んでいる。何
Oh my gosh.
何
Oh my arms. I need a drink break.
펜치가 어디다 놨어? 아, 그렇구나. 나 아까 여기 와서 이렇게 봤는데 나 나오진 않았겠지?
나왔어.
누가 녹음 하나 있는 것 같아.
Got 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's go! Yeah, so I just did the challenge and I did 55 push-ups, right? When I was doing it, it didn't if I say 55, it doesn't feel that bad. But when I did 55, when I did the push-ups, it actually felt kind of hard. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the Rubik's Cube thing. Maybe I'm just unfit. But, you know, that was pretty fun. Now I'm done. I can just go back to watching AOT4. But anyway, thanks for watching. I would encourage you to do the challenge if you guys can solve a Rubik's Cube. Comment your times down below and I'll see you next time. Bye!